Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on Futures.com, and this is the weekly recap for the second week of October. We took a total of 8 trades, 4 losing trades, 3 small winners and 1 break-even trade. It was a difficult trading week, tight trading range, and we had a rollover week, so normally not a good week to be trading. Let's take up the chart here. Let's go into. Let me remove the drawing objects. Again, we had a rollover week, so we will begin with the November contract. Monday, we were trading the November contract. We had a total of 3 trades, 2 losing trades, one break-even trade. Let's take a look at Monday. At the beginning of the trading day, we broke a resistance area that was in place at 40.30. It was a perfect setup here, breaking resistance, pulling back, testing support, but no follow through here at the high. Eventually losing 16 ticks per contract on the setup. Second trade, a short setup. We were looking for an entry here at in this area, but volatility band was against us, and we needed a second test of resistance, and there was no second test of resistance on the trading chart, so we had to leave this alone, and we took the next setup. It was a break-even trade. We were not able to trade into the 37, the next support area, and eventually giving us a break-even trade for the second trade of the day. Price then pulled back into resistance, going back into the small triggers, giving us a re-entry short. The third trade of the day, losing 16 ticks, and price was not able to break the support level that was in place at 47. Monday, daily outcome, minus 93 ticks, minus 930 bucks. Tuesday, we had a rollover, so we have to go to the December contract. Again, we took a total of 3 trades, 2 losing trades, and 1 small winner. At the beginning of the trading day, we broke support that was in place at 64. So we broke support. Retest of resistance, a good pattern on the higher time frame to take the short setup. First setup of the day, losing 16 ticks per contract. Eventually, price pulling back into resistance and eventually breaking resistance, giving us the opportunity to take a long setup, and eventually giving us the second losing trade of the day, losing 16 ticks per contract. After the second trade, price pulled back into support, breaking support, giving us the perfect picture, pulling back, testing resistance, and going down, and eventually missing the first target here by a few ticks, and only locking in 7 ticks per contract on the setup for a total profit of 21 ticks. Tuesday, daily outcome, minus 75 ticks, minus $750. Let's move on to Wednesday. It was a news day, and so nothing we could do with the price action on the left side of the screen. We had to wait for the news event. Resistance appeared on the higher time frame. We eventually broke resistance, so trend was up, pulling back, testing the support area that was sitting at 56 and not able to break it, holding support, so a valid area to take a long setup. So long from 79. Again, missing the first target here by a few ticks, and only getting 21 ticks per contract for a total daily profit of 63 ticks. So daily outcome plus $630. Let's move on to Tuesday. Again, tight trading range, a big move during the London session, but if we look at the daily range of the US session, you can see that it is about 60 or 65 ticks, so not much you can do with that. We only took one trade. Trend was down. A normal setup, valid setup, and eventually only taking 9 ticks per contract for a daily profit of 27 ticks. We were looking for an entry in this area here. I think it was this candle, but we needed a second test of resistance in order to do something here, and there was no second test of resistance, so no valid entry here. So we had to leave the move alone. So daily outcome plus 27 ticks plus $270. Let's take a look at the weekly outcome. Slightly down for the week, a small losing week, minus 77 ticks, $770, losing $770 for the week, giving us a monthly outcome of 561 ticks, or plus $5,610 for the month of October so far. We still have a week to go, a week and a day. So let's see if we can add 200 ticks next week. So overall, a difficult trading week, tight trading range, and rollover. So nothing we could do here this week. Don't forget to go to my website and subscribe to the email, to the newsletter, so you will get the daily trades in your email box, and the weekly recap. Okay guys, that was it for today. Have a nice weekend, and take care, and see you back next week.